Now this is a Defender 110, I have zero doubt will sell very quickly. The mileage, the service history, the way it looks, the specification. It's a 72 reg D250 X-Dynamic SE 110. It's 126,000 miles, full Land Rover service history. It's finished in Santorini black. It's then been exterior styled with wide arches, 22-inch wheels, red brake calipers, rear spoiler, which we'll come to in a second. From factory, electric deployable Towbar, sliding sunroof, and all the other features you get on the X-Dynamic SE. Now it has the look that everybody wants on a 110, which is that wide arch, stealth coloured look to it. 22-inch wheels in gloss black, red brake calipers just break up that exterior. But then the big thing with this car is the price point. So usually when we sell a car, or anyone sells a car of this value, specifically a 110, there might be something that's missing, but there's generally nothing missing off this car. X-Dynamic SE, with the exterior kit, with the low mileage, with the full service history, and then it's got those options like the sliding sunroof and the electric tow bar. So it's a perfect 110 for someone who's been waiting for us to get something in around this sort of money. Rear spoiler, full-size spare wheel cover. Now the electric tow bar will appeal to a lot of people. It would appeal to me because to get one from Land Rover is £3,500. If you are looking to tow anything of any sort, an electric tow bar is the way to do it because of, one, how easy it is, two, the time it takes to do it. If it doesn't appeal to you on the daily, then it's fine, because when you come to resell this car, you have, like I just said, an accessory. It's £3,500 from Land Rover, so just bear that in mind. The overall condition of the car is just what you'd expect really with a car with this sort of mileage on. Now, we see Defenders very often, and on a car of this age, you could quite easily see one that's done 40, 50,000 miles. Because they are a vehicle that can be used by everyone, they do tend to rack up a few more miles, but this one, quite the opposite. Digital display, adaptive cruise, Meridian Sound system, which is a great sound system actually. Memory setting function, so if it is the family car and there's a couple of you who drive it, then you can just set your seats, you're not arguing about who's left the seat in the wrong place. Heated seats, front windscreen is heated, loads of other features. The media screen in the centre has navigation, telephone, media, your camera systems, all 3D cameras. Just give me a second, pop in reverse. Rear view, aerial view, so everything that you need just comes on a Defender, but then features like sliding sunroof and tow bar just finish it off. On top of that, the exterior styling on this one, it just has that look. It's just a car for me that I know when it goes live on the internet, because of the price, combined with the style, with the extra spec, it just will not last long. So if you are one of those people who've been waiting for us to get something in like this, if you've been searching for one, this is your opportunity. Any questions about how you would buy it, how you would fund it, anything in general, just contact me on my mobile number. You'll see it in the description. Any questions, I'll get them answered, and I look forward to speaking to you.